And for more on this, we are now being joined by Dr. Vikas Singh. He's a senior economist and op-ed columnist live, and he joins us live from Hyderabad. Welcome to the broadcast, Dr. Singh.
Morning, Aditi. Good morning to all your viewers.
I'll begin with the first question now. Will the bull run in stocks extend through the end of this year? What do you think about that?
It's likely to extend for the next year or so. My belief is that the Indian economy is on a tear. It's doing well. The outcome of the election result has only added fuel to the fire. As long as the economy does well, I think the stock market doing well, it should not make us fearful. It should make us greedier. And my belief is that in the next 1 year or so, it's going to be a linear growth. There will be time where there will be ups and downs, but I think the long-term investor should look at this opportunity to buy when the stocks go down. Overall, I think we are very, very positive of a very, very high return of about 15 to 20% is possible if we choose the right kind of stocks.
A positive outlook according to you, Dr. Singh, but will bets for rate cuts next year materialize?
I think the RBI has indicated that it's definitely not going to increase the rate of interest, and the way the inflation has behaved in the last 6 months, I think there is definitely an opportunity for the RBI governor to reduce the rate of interest. So rate cut is there. I'm not sure whether it's factored in or not, or whether it's priced in or not, but rate cut is possible, definitely possible in the first quarter of the next year.
Okay, and Dr. Singh, what is your outlook for global markets for next year?
I think there are 3-4 major factors that should be considered for the global market. I think it's now very, very evident that China is not going to be the pivot for global growth economy. China is not the China of the early 2010, 2015 time. China is definitely going to slow down. It's not going to grow at more than 3 to 4% in the next 3-4 years. But the good sign is that the US, those people who predicted the recession in the US economy are going to be disappointed. The US may escape a recession, though the growth will still be limited to about 1.5 to 2%. The other important factor that we must consider when we talk about the global growth is that the growth is going to be highly fragmented. So it's not going to be a uniform global growth as most people would have wanted. Some parts of the globe will grow. Eurozone is still going to be laggard. It may not grow, largely due to what's happening in Russia and Ukraine. Japan is showing some sign of growth, but what the Japanese government did, we'll have to watch the impact of the Fed announcement in Japan. But yeah, but we are definitely not going to see a recession in 2024 as most had predicted.
All right, according to Dr. Singh, we're not going to see recession, but a fragmented growth can be expected for global markets. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. Singh, and giving all your insights.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you. Have a good day.